most people solve this question like 4 multiply 4 is equal to 16. Then 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. Now 16 divided by 8 is equal to 2. Okay, but this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. Okay, PEMDAS, PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS, first priority is parentheses, second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication, division. Both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay. So here one multiplication, one division, and one addition. So first we have to solve multiplication, division, then we have to solve addition. So multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. So first we have to solve this multiplication. Is equal to 4 multiply 4 is equal to 16. Divide by 4 plus 4. So now 16 divided by 4 is equal to 4 plus 4. So now 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. Okay. So the correct answer is 8.